Kenny here with your Monday art lesson. Today we're going to be working on the element of art of value, okay? Value is light to dark of one color. We did a little bit of this last week. So we create value by changing how hard and how soft we press with a crayon. So today we are going to make a colored landscape, okay? You guys can choose any color you want. I chose an orange, and what I did is I drew my landscape with my pencil, and then I traced it with a marker, and then I colored it using a crayon. If you don't have a marker, that's fine. You can skip that step and just use the crayon. And what we're gonna do, we are gonna have super, super soft, kind of a light medium, a medium dark, and then a super dark area. So we're gonna play around with how hard we press with our crayon. So first thing we're gonna do is we are going to draw our landscape. So everybody needs a piece of paper and a pencil right now. If you do not have that in front of you, go ahead and push pause on the video and go grab your paper and your pencil. Okay, now that we have our paper and pencil, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna draw our landscape. We are going to draw 5 lines. The first one is gonna be a little bit of a wavy line, something like this. Your lines don't have to look exactly like mine, that is totally fine. This just kind of will give you guys an idea of spacing. The second line, I'm gonna start pretty close to the first one and go up, oopsie. And then I'm gonna go down, up, and I'm gonna come really far down and then go up again. So there's my second line. My third one is gonna be pretty simple. It's just gonna be a curved line like this. Okay, so line 1, line 2, line 3. Now line 4 is gonna be simple also, but it's gonna start there, it's gonna come down, and then it's gonna go up and down. So we have kind of a very simple curved line. The very last one is gonna be a zigzag line to make it kind of look like mountains. Okay, so now we have our landscape drawn. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna choose what color you want to use. And I'm gonna go ahead and grab a blue marker today to trace my pencil lines. So using a marker, you wanna trace the lines that you made. Okay, so something like that for my traced lines. Now I am going to grab one crayon only. I'm not gonna grab 5 different blues, I'm gonna grab one blue only. So the blue that I grabbed is actually called Cerulean. So I'm gonna use the Cerulean crayon for this project. What I'm gonna do up here at the top part, I'm gonna color super, super soft. So soft that you may not even see the color very well on the camera because I'm pressing it so soft. It's making a very, very soft blue. Okay, now I'm not gonna change my crayon. All that I'm gonna change is how hard I press. I'm gonna go a little bit harder, still not very hard. And I'm gonna color this area in. I'm coloring nice and solid, but I'm still coloring kind of soft. I definitely am not coloring at a normal pressure yet. This is a nice soft, lighter shade of blue. Okay, hopefully you can see on camera a little bit of the difference between the very light and the light. Now, I'm gonna go a little bit harder here. This is kind of what I call the medium. This is how I feel like I color most of the time. If I just picked up a crayon and started coloring, this is what I call my normal pressure. This is how I normally would color. I'm not pressing super soft or pressing super hard. I'm just holding the crayon and coloring. So I have a super light, a light, and a medium now. Okay, I'm gonna press a little bit harder but I'm still not pressing so hard. My hand doesn't hurt doing this or anything yet. I'm just trying to get a little bit of a darker shade of blue than the one that we just did. Okay, now when you do shades that are dark, your hand sometimes hurts because you press harder, and that is normal. Okay. So I colored a little bit harder, and hopefully you can see the difference between my shades of blue now. Now I'm getting closer to the bottom. I am actually going to now really start pressing harder. And my hand may get tired, and I might have to go in shorter areas. But I can definitely feel when I color this area, my hand starts cramping up a little bit more because I'm pressing hard. I'm using those hand muscles. My hands are getting a workout. Okay, now when you color hard, you still want to color neatly so you're not scribbling all over the place. We're still staying within our marker lines for our areas. Okay, whew. I don't really like how I have some white showing there. I'm gonna fix that a little bit. Okay, the very last section, friends, you are gonna get a workout here. We are going to color so hard, but not so hard that we break our crayon. But you are gonna definitely press hard. You may have to turn your paper at an angle like I did to kind of reach it better. But I am pushing really hard. Push it real good. So I am just pressing my crayon and I am getting that nice, deep, dark blue value. Now, what I love about this is I can clearly see the transition from very light to medium dark to crazy dark. And I did that all with one simple crayon and by changing how strong or how hard I colored. So friends, this is our value project for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. I would love for you guys to take a picture of it. If your parents want to send it to me on Parent Square, that would be amazing. If not, you can hold on to it, and we're going to have a Google Meet check-in sometime soon, and you can show me your pictures then if you would like to. All right? Have fun, guys. Can't wait to see these. Bye.